Okay, kids, let's get started. Okay, as you can see, we're going to do rounding off to the nearest tenth, or we can also say rounding off to the nearest one decimal place. Let's look at our first question. Round off 2.34 to the nearest tenth, or one decimal place. Okay, do you still remember what is the first step? Okay, let's have a look. Now, your first step will be identify the digit in the tenth place. So you just write your number and you identify which is your tenth, and here is the digit 3. Yes, the one in red is your tenth. Now, why do we want to identify the tenth? This is because the digit that you're going to change or stay is tenth. Okay, so that's why the first thing that you need to do, first identify which digit you are going to round off, and for this case it is the tenth. Okay, now let's move on. So the second step will be to look at the digit that is next to the tenth, which is here is the hundredth. Okay, now as you can see, the blue one is the hundredth, and before that, let's just see what this Mr. Parrots have to say. Okay, some points to remember. So if your hundredth is 4 or less, then your tenth will stay. And if it's 5 or more, then your tenth will change, which means you need to round it up, or you need to add it the tenth with 1. Okay, you need to add it with 1. And let's take a look at our number here. Our hundredth here is 4, which is the one in blue. Now, can you tell me which one will that be? Is it 4 or less, or 5 or more? Yes, it is 4 or less, which means we need to stay. So which one will stay? Is it the blue one or the red one? Yes, it's the red one, your tenth, because that is the number that you're going to round it up to, or rounded to, sorry. So yes, you're going to stay because the 100 is only 4. Okay, so let's move on to the next step. So the third step is that you're going to drop off the digit that is next to the tenth, which is the hundredth. If you can see here, 2.34, the digit next to the tenth, which is 4 here, we are going to drop it off. We're going to cut it off. Now, if you can still remember, if we're rounding off whole number, we're going to change the digit next to it with 0, isn't it? Yes, we can put 0 here, but that will not change any of the value, so we're just going to drop it off. Okay, so we're going to just write it as 2.3. All right, now the last step. What is the last step? Yes, you're going to write your answer rounded to the nearest tenth. So you're going to the question 2.34, rounded it up, that's the symbol, to 2.3. And as you can see here, your answer is in one decimal place because you rounded it up to nearest tenth. So make sure your answer will only be in one decimal place. Well done, kids. Okay, now the next few slides will be just another video showing you how this is done according to the steps. Okay, another example. So I just want you to take a look carefully. Take your time, look at the steps and how it is done. And once you're done, I will tell you some of the things that you need to do today. Okay, what you're going to do next, and just to make sure you complete all your tasks before the given time. All right, now, and I will see you in next Saturday. All right, enjoy, kids.